Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my Global Letterina YouTube channel, these two videos are the most viewed contents as you can see here. The Chicken Song Part 2 has been watched over 68 million people. Also Part 3 watched over 100,000 people and it is still boosting. So guys, I know most of you are expecting to see how I created and edited both video and music. Because most of you have watched Chicken Song. So today I am here to show you how I done it and I will get the Chicken Song Part 3 to show it. So let's get started. These are the music clips and beats I used to create this song, which downloaded from the non-copyright music providers and some chicken sounds recorded by me. Also I used some inbuilt music clips and beats which taken from the software I used. Normally I am producing and editing music by using FL Studio and the Cubase music production softwares. So this is the Cubase and here you can listen how is the first part of the music and you can see how I added the downloaded and recorded clips. Also, there you can find the titles of music clips of chicken sounds, clap sounds, drum beats and cymbals that I used in this music. So here are the chicken sounds clips that you are enjoying in the music. Also, there are another beats I have added which can enhance the feeling of the music. The final song is not a raw music that I created here, so that I have used some special effects and plugins when mastering and exporting the music to produce the best quality output. Actually, this is just a snapshot of music creation and in the near future I will give a in-detail video about how I made this song. So guys, then I will show you how I edit the video with music that I produced. Normally I am using Adobe Premiere Pro and the Adobe After Effects for the video editing. In here I used only Adobe Premiere Pro for the make this content. So this is the finalized video. Here also I have added some effects to the music for enhance the stereo sounds and the quality. You can see here those effects. By using non-copyrighted videos collected from different websites, videos downloaded from YouTube which are uploaded under the Creative Commons license, green screen videos and some videos captured by me used to produce the chicken song. Also, there are special transitions and video effects as I am showing here used to edit this video. Transform effect used to change the side of the videos. For remove the green screen, I used Ultra Key effect. And some effect like acid color effect, hallucination effect, liquid glitch effect, glowing effect and another inbuilt effect of Adobe Premiere Pro used to beautify this video. So guys, not only these effects and transitions, I have done more things to finalize this video. These are the basics of how I made this content. In the near future, I will get you another advanced video about how I edit this. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.